Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you yet another VS Code extension which allows you to run different tasks or scripts declared inside your projects. It can be npm scripts, yarn scripts, any package manager scripts. So if you go to the extensions tab, just try task runner and this extension will come right here. It's a fairly popular extension having 92,000 installs. So simply activate this extension, and after activating it, it will show you the list of different types of scripts and tasks that you have declared inside your project in the sidebar section. So if you go to you will see this will add this section in the Explorer window right at the bottom section corner once you activate this. So now inside this, here it will show you all the scripts that you already have inside your package.json file. So first script here is for running the server. So let me just delete everything and start from scratch. So here it will show you all the tasks that you already have. So this one for running the server, so it will start as soon as you click this, it will start the server here, and here you can simply navigate to the server right here. And the second one is for building the workspace. This is a nice little extension which shows you all the tasks which are already running inside VS Code. It shows you in this Explorer window. Definitely install this extension, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.